Hey, good morning. Welcome to your quick and revitalizing morning yoga routine. If you're watching this, it means you're looking for a way to kickstart your day with a surge of positive energy. You want to feel more alive, more vibrant, and ready to tackle whatever the day throws your way. Maybe you're also seeking more focus, a clearer mind to navigate your tasks and responsibilities with ease and precision. And perhaps, just perhaps, you're hoping to infuse your morning, and therefore your entire day, with a little more joy, a sense of lightness and well-being that radiates from within. Well, let's do it together. Let's embark on this short but powerful journey to awaken your body, calm your mind, and uplift your spirit. I promise, you don't need to be flexible like a gymnast, or even fully awake with your morning coffee yet. This routine is designed for everyone, regardless of your experience level. Alright, find a comfortable spot, maybe on a mat or just a soft rug. Somewhere you can stretch out a little and feel grounded. Stand tall, relax your shoulders, feel your feet firmly planted on the ground, creating a stable foundation. Let's take a deep breath in through the nose, filling your lungs completely, expanding your chest, and out through the mouth. Release any tension or stress you might be holding on to. One more time. In, drawing in fresh energy and vitality, and out, letting go of anything that no longer serves you. You're already doing great. Just by showing up and taking these first few breaths, you've set a positive intention for your day. First, we're going to reach both arms high overhead. Interlace your fingers and point your index fingers towards the ceiling. Stretch. Imagine you're growing a little taller, lengthening your spine, and creating space in your body. Exhale, gently fold forward, bending your knees as much as you need. There's no need to force anything here. Let your head hang. Feel that release in your back, in your neck, and in your shoulders. Inhale, come halfway up, put your hands on your shins, lift your chest, look forward. Engage your core and feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Exhale, fold back down, release and relax. Now step one foot back into a low lunge, gently placing your foot behind you. Doesn't matter which side, just pick one. We'll get to the other side in just a moment. Drop your back knee if you need to. This will make the pose a little less intense. Feel that stretch in your hips. This is a great way to open up the hip flexors, which can get tight from sitting for long periods. Take a breath here, allowing the stretch to deepen with each exhale. Step forward and switch sides, bringing your feet back together before stepping the other leg back. Other foot back, low lunge, finding your balance and stability in this new position. Breathe in and out, connecting with your breath and your body. Step both feet to the back of your mat, transitioning into a plank position for just a moment, and lower your knees down, giving yourself a little support as we move into the next pose. Come into a tabletop position, ensuring your body is properly aligned. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips, creating a stable and balanced base. Let's do a few cat-cows, a gentle and flowing movement to warm up the spine. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your head and tailbone, creating a gentle arch in your back. Exhale, round your back, tuck your chin, like a cat stretching its spine. Move with your breath, allowing your breath to guide your movement. Inhale and exhale, connecting the mind, body, and breath. Now tuck your toes, preparing to move into downward facing dog. Press your hips up and back into downward facing dog, creating an inverted V shape with your body. Don't worry if your heels don't touch the floor, mine don't either. It's more important to focus on lengthening your spine. Pedal out your feet, waking up your legs, stretching your calves and hamstrings. Take a big breath in and sigh it out, releasing any remaining tension. Gently walk your feet forward to your hands, moving slowly and mindfully, and slowly roll up to standing, one vertebra at a time, taking your time to avoid any dizziness. Reach your arms overhead, big stretch, feeling the length in your spine and the openness in your chest. Bring your palms together at your heart, a gesture of gratitude and self-compassion. Take a moment to notice how you feel, paying attention to the sensations in your body and the state of your mind. Maybe your breath is deeper, a sign that your nervous system is calming down. Maybe you feel a little lighter, a little more awake, ready to embrace the day with renewed energy and focus. That's the magic of just 5 minutes of yoga in the morning. A small investment in yourself that can yield significant benefits. Remember, you can come back to this practice anytime. Whenever you need a quick boost of energy, focus, or joy, the hardest part is just showing up, and you did it. You made the commitment to prioritize your well-being, and that's something to be proud of. Go shine today. You got this. Embrace the opportunities that come your way, and remember the positive energy you cultivated this morning.